Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at LitezAll, the Evolution of Light USB Rechargeable Lantern R1 flashlight. So yeah, it says camping, hiking, retractable energy, recharge with any USB port. One time is up to 15 hours on charge, I guess. So it has two modes, lantern to flashlight mode, and it has two modes, high and low. You could hang it, you could grab it. And then it tells you a little bit more, which apparently you can't really see too good on the camera here. Come on. So of course the USB charging cable's up there. Then it has a removable clip right there. 13-inch long cable. So that's pretty long. On, off, mode switch, collapsible lantern hood. And of course there's their phone number and website. Premier products. So yeah, so not much to do but to now get it open and check it out. Still stuck in there. I feel I'm going to have to cut it from both sides here. Yep. And I just, yeah, maybe it'll work. Okay, so take that out. You gotta remove the clip. If you don't want to tear the box up, you know, if it has to be returned or anything. And just kind of slide and wiggle it on in there. And yeah. So I guess we already saw the first part, the removable USB clip. So I thought this was going to be metal. It's actually plastic. Only piece of metal on here is just a spring.